In this video I'm going to show you how to see your watch history on TikTok. So this is pretty useful if you want to share a TikTok to somebody but you quit the app, or you just want to rewatch the video. First open up your TikTok app, then go to your profile, then click on the top right and then on the settings and privacy. From here you want to locate activity center. That's the third option under content and display. You click on it and then you click on watch history, and basically here you can see all of your watch history in the last, I don't know, a lot of days or even from lifetime. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if this video helped you out, leave a comment saying it helped you.